In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right Audible desktop subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go on the Audible desktop site and how to compare the key options so you can pick the plan that fits your listening habits and your budget. First, open Audible in your desktop browser. Starting on desktop makes it easier to scan the plan details side by side. Make sure you're on the correct regional site for your country, since pricing and availability can vary by location. On the Audible homepage, look for the Plans and Pricing section. You'll typically find this link in the top navigation or down in the footer. Click it to open the full breakdown of what each subscription includes. This page is your hub for everything you need to make a confident choice. Begin by reviewing the standard option. You can start with a 30-day free trial, and after that, it's $8.99 per month. With this plan, you can select one audiobook each month from a library of over 1 million titles. You'll be able to listen to your audiobook selections as long as you remain a member, and you'll also get unlimited access to bingeable podcasts. Think of this as a straightforward, budget-friendly way to keep a steady stream of listening going each month without overcomplicating things. It's a good match if you typically go through one main book monthly and want podcasts included. Next, take a close look at Premium Plus. This plan also starts with a 30-day trial, then it's $14.95 per month. You get 1 credit every month to buy any audiobook from the full catalog of more than 1 million titles. The key difference here is ownership. Audiobooks you purchase with a credit are yours to keep, even if you cancel later. On top of that, you unlock unlimited access to over 150,000 included audiobooks and podcasts, and you'll get access to exclusive sales and discounts. Choose this if you value building a permanent library, want more included content, and like saving on additional purchases. Finally, scroll down the page to see additional plans. This section is useful if your listening varies throughout the year or you prefer alternatives to the monthly default. Take a moment to compare what changes from plan to plan, whether it's how many titles you can choose, what you keep, or the overall monthly cost, so the benefits align with how you actually listen. Once you've compared the features and the monthly price, pick the plan that best matches your habits. Remember, you can always reassess later as your listening routine evolves.